Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make microwave pilau with chicken tikka. So I'm going to be using some curly zira rice, this chicken tikka which is ready-made halal one, but you can use homemade one, but next time I'll show you how to make homemade chicken tikka. But for the time being I'm just going to use this halal chicken tikka ready-made. Some olive oil, some garam masala. I've already soaked 1 cup of rice, more than half an hour, so it's been washed and cleaned already, and some chopped onion, some fresh green chilies, 2 pieces of cinnamon stick, some salt, some black pepper, and some cloves, and 2 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of butter ghee, okay, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So I'm just going to microwave this for 1 minute, the pure butter ghee and the olive oil. So I've taken it out of the microwave, so now I'm just going to add the cinnamon stick, the black peppers, and the cloves and bay leaves. Mix this with the oil and the ghee. So I'm just going to microwave this for another minute. So now I'm going to add the green chilies, the onions. You can add less chilies if you want to, but they're quite spicy. So I'll just give it a mix. Okay, so now I'm going to add the soaked rice. Make sure you soak the rice for at least half an hour. So I've added the soaked rice, so now I'm just going to add the cooked chicken tikka. About 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, some salt, just mix it. You can use vegetables instead of chicken tikka if you're vegetarian. So I've got 1 cup soaked rice, so I'm just going to add 1.5 cup of water, but if needed I can add it later on. Okay, so you will need cling film. Make sure you don't leave any gaps. So just poke it with a scissors or something for the air to come out. So I'm just going to microwave this for about 8-9 minutes. So I've microwaved for about 9 minutes. So now I'm just going to give it a mix. If at this point you think your rice is too dry, you need more water, then you can add it. But I don't need any water. So put the cover back again. So I'm just going to let this cook for another 8 to 10 minutes. So I've taken it out of the microwave. First I gave 10 minutes, then I gave another 3 minutes extra because there was some water left. Carefully, it's very hot. So I'm just going to add some fresh coriander on top, just for a bit of decoration. Here my microwave chicken tikka pilau is ready. If you like my videos, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.